right, in some news coming in on the 3 UPSC students' death, as a man who was held responsible for driving past the Rouse IAS coaching center, who's been arrested. His bail plea had been denied by the Delhi High Court. We hear that the driver, Manoj Kathuria, has filed yet another bail plea before the Sessions Court. Kathuria has moved the Sessions Court at 30 Hazari challenging the Magistrates Court order, denying him bail. The court likely to hear this bail plea tomorrow. Kathuria's plea says he's innocent, is not associated with the event or the incident, said that the offence in any manner was not connected to him. All involvement, as being speculated by the police authorities, is completely hypothetical. There's no material to support any of these allegations. This is what he claims in his bail plea. The blame of statewide infrastructural breakdown being put on a single individual. His bail plea elaborates how he's been arrested while authorities are shifting the blame, moving it from the people who are actually guilty and pinning it on innocents like him. Despite the lapse being attributed entirely to the state officials, including the MCD, the GNCTD, no such officials have been arrested so far. Attempts to obfuscate responsibility of the state authorities and scapegoat the applicant. Precisely the words said in his bail application, where he applies yet again attempting for relief. Let me cut across to Shrishti Ojha joining us on the phone line. She's tracking court for us. Shrishti, we know that the Delhi High Court had very clearly pointed out that the authorities arrested a passerby. Instead of actually pulling up those responsible within the MCD, arresting them, a passerby was arrested. While that said, you have a lower court that denied him his bail plea. He's attempted another round. Give us more what he says.
Well, yes, Nabila, as you rightly pointed out, the High Court had yesterday made some scathing observations coming down heavily on not just the MCD but also the Delhi police authorities for the way in which the investigation has been going forward, pointing out that they've arrested a passerby and no officials responsible. Despite that hearing, later in the day we saw yesterday that Delhi 3 Hazari Court, the Magistrate Court, denied bail to all four accused, including the SUV driver. He has now again moved the second bail plea, challenging the earlier order before the higher court, the Sessions Court here at 3 Hazari, pointing out that he's innocent and also saying that he's not even associated in the said offence that is being made out against him in any manner whatsoever. According to him, there's been a statewide infrastructural breakdown and an innocent individual, one single individual, is being blamed for such breakdown. Basically that he's being made a scapegoat in this case, only to save the state authorities from any kind of responsibility. According to him, all the lapses that have happened in this case are attributable to state officials, including the JNCTD and the municipal corporations. None of those officials have in fact been arrested. Even yesterday we saw before the court had passed the order denying him bail, the lawyers of the accused had pointed this out, had given the written submissions pointing out High Court's observations, but clearly the court has not considered that, or at least has not been affected by whatever High Court has said, because it ended up denying bail to all four accused, including the all five accused, including the four property owners of the basement. So his bail plea, now the second bail plea, is likely to be heard tomorrow, and again, we'll have to wait for the hearing to see what exactly will the court have to say. Now, will the Sessions Court consider what the High Court has said in its hearing yesterday? So, yeah, we'll know that once the court hearing happens tomorrow. Back to you.
Right. So we know that the wife has been speaking to India Today. She's also reacted on this after the bail was denied to her husband. Let's listen in.
वीडियो सबके सामने है, सबने वीडियो देखा हुआ है और यहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। ये गाड़ी जा रही है, पानी बोनट के ऊपर तक है और इसकी रेड लाइट्स ऑन है, दोज आर द ब्रेकिंग लाइट्स। तो वो ब्रेक कॉन्स्टेंटली लगाए हुए थे और धीरे निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे थे एंड गाड़ी तेज बिल्कुल नहीं जा रही है। एक सर्टेन स्पीड पे गाड़ी को जाना पड़ेगा इतने पानी से निकलने के लिए। हमें पूरा भरोसा है अपने जुडिशरी पे एंड मेरे हस्बैंड ने कुछ गलत किया नहीं है, तो हम बहुत पॉजिटिव हैं कि वो घर आएंगे।